Hey guys, Ron and Jim here again.
Hello.
So, as part of being an RV owner, you have to do seasonal maintenance, and with that sometimes comes with upgrades.
We're putting something very important on our rig. It's a new safety upgrade that we haven't had before.
So we'll be installing two of these, and this is the gas stop. Gas stop is the only 100% automatic shutoff to your propane when it detects a major leak. And from what I understand, it's pretty easy to install, so anybody can do it. If you can turn a wrench, you should be able to install this.
Pardon the traffic.
And one of the bonus features is it has a propane level detector, so if you're always wondering how much propane you have, this is going to help you out with that as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to install it, see how it goes, and we'll take you along with us. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is remove all the old components, and we're going to do that real quick. And just like that, Alright, so before I do any leak tests and everything, what I want to do is I'm going to put the cover back on to make sure everything will fit underneath the cover. If not, I'll make some final adjustments and then we'll do a pressure test. So that was actually really simple. You know, maybe 10 minutes once I got going. It was probably faster than that. So, you know, it's a matter of making sure that the lines and everything fit within your case that you have your propane on, the black cover, or white if you happen to have white. I know in fifth wheels, you know, you're going to have more confined space, and that's where the 90-degree braided lines come in. I may or may not have needed them, but they're on there now. Use the right Teflon tape. So now I'm just going to do a pressure test. I've already bled the lines inside, so now I'm going to do a leak test, and then if we're good to go, it was that simple. We are good to go. Alright guys, so the installation went pretty smooth. A couple things to think of. Make sure you have the right Teflon tape, the one that's rated for gas.
Yes.
And then when you're all said and done, always do a manual leak test with water and soap. That way you're looking for bubbles. So we're fortunate enough now to have this device on our rig, so we feel extra safe when dealing with propane, because you just never know when you're going down the road what can happen. You know, hoses come undone, things come unscrewed. If you blow a tire and it happens to rip your gas line, well, gas stop's going to protect you there.
And we're also very fortunate because Gas Stop provided this to us for us to test out.
Now, we put on the one that goes on our 20-pound tanks. They're good for 20 or 30-pound tanks that you find on a fifth wheel. But they do make a product that's good for Class A's and Class C's. If this product interests you, if you would do us a favor and click the link down below in the description, that's going to take you to Techno RV, where we're affiliates, and that'll just help us with our journey down the road. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's episode. We thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Do you already have a gas stop? Let us know.
Yeah. How do you like it? Has it worked for you? Has it failed? Let us know.
All right, guys. Until next time, we'll see you out there.
See you out there. Bye.